Luck, a concept that has fascinated humanity for centuries. But what is luck, really? Some say it's a force beyond our control, a random twist of fate. Others believe luck is something we can create for ourselves. So, does luck truly exist, or is it just a product of our actions and mindset? Let's dive into the world of luck and see if we can uncover the truth. Take a look at some of the most successful businessmen in history. People like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos. Are they just lucky individuals who stumbled upon success? Or did they craft their own luck through hard work, determination, and strategic decision-making? Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, didn't become one of the wealthiest people in the world by sheer luck. He spent years studying the stock market, analyzing companies, and making calculated investments. Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you'll earn." His success wasn't a stroke of luck. It was the result of his dedication to mastering his craft. Then there's Elon Musk, the visionary behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Musk didn't achieve his success by waiting for luck to come his way. He took risks, pushed boundaries, and worked tirelessly to turn his ambitious ideas into reality. Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation and his willingness to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success set him apart from the rest. And let's not forget Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, the e-commerce giant that revolutionized the way we shop. Bezos didn't build his empire overnight. He started Amazon from his garage, facing numerous challenges and setbacks along the way. But through his unwavering focus on customer satisfaction, relentless drive for efficiency, and willingness to adapt to changing markets, Bezos created his own luck. These examples show that luck isn't just a matter of chance. It's about seizing opportunities, taking calculated risks, and putting in the hard work to make things happen. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. So, can you craft your own luck? Absolutely. By setting clear goals, staying persistent in the face of adversity, and constantly seeking ways to improve yourself and your circumstances, you can increase your chances of success. Luck may play a role in our lives, but it's our actions and mindset that ultimately determine our fate. In the end, luck is what you make of it. Whether you believe in it or not, one thing is certain. You have the power to shape your own destiny. So, go out there, take risks, work hard, and who knows, maybe luck will be on your side.